Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain application of diode. Basically, diode is a device in which large current flow in one direction and almost no current flow in another direction. The one of the best application of the diode is rectifier. Rectifier means the device which performs the process of rectification. Rectification means conversion of AC to DC. In mobile charger, we require to convert AC current into DC current. In that device, we have to use the rectifier. Basically, the rectifier can be divided in three types: half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, and bridge rectifier. So let us see these types one by one. So let us start with the first one, that is half wave rectifier. In half wave rectifier, only one diode is used and that is shown in this figure. This is only one diode D is used. Let us see the construction. Here the first device is a transformer. Here we use a diode, that is single diode D, resistor R. To the primary of transformer, that is across the input of transformer, the AC waveform is shown here. Let us see the working principle. When positive half cycle arrives at this terminal of the diode, that is anode of the diode, the anode voltage is greater than the cathode voltage, hence diode becomes forward bias and large amount of current flows through the diode and hence across the resistor R, and that is shown here. During this positive half cycle, the diode will conduct and current flows through it, that is shown here. During negative half cycle, the anode voltage is less than cathode voltage, hence the diode is reverse bias and no current flows through the diode, hence there is no current or voltage across this resistor R. Hence during negative half cycle, no current flows through the diode, that is shown here. That means only for positive half cycle the current will flows through the diode, hence this is known as half wave rectifier, because only for half cycle the diode will conduct. Now let us see the next one, that is second type, full wave rectifier. In full wave rectifier, two diodes are used, diode D1 and D2. During positive half cycle, diode D1 conducts and current flows through the diode, hence across or through the resistor R. Hence for positive half cycle, we have the voltage or current across the diode or across the output. During negative half cycle, diode D2 will conduct. When diode D2 will conduct, D1 stops the conduction, and hence during negative half cycle we have the output present here. That means what? For positive as well as negative half cycle, the current flows through the diode, hence this is known as full wave rectifier. The efficiency of full wave rectifier is more than half wave rectifier. The last type of rectifier is nothing but bridge rectifier. In bridge rectifier, instead of 4 diodes are used. D1 and D4 are connected in similar manner, whereas D2 and D3 are connected in same way. It is the working principle of bridge rectifier is exactly similar to the full wave rectifier, only the difference is that there are 4 diodes are used instead of 2, and the efficiency of bridge rectifier is more than the half wave and full wave rectifier. Now, thank you very much.